Welcome, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Werner's Adventures. Well, this one here, bit of a walk, but we're getting there. So I'll go check it out. All right, we're just going to watch out for snakes now. I reckon this field could be possibly carrots, maybe. I'm not sure. It just looks like carrot weeds. So, not sure, but that's what we want to go and have a look at. And it's pretty warm here today. All right. So let's go and explore this old home. All right, well, maybe through here. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. I've got to crawl through this. All right. Hopefully I don't get bitten. Oh, man. Damn, I'm sort of here. Right. Well, I think I'm in. All right, guys. Here we go. This one's got no floor, but it's got a cool fireplace there. Okay. Actually, there is no floors here at all. Okay. Look at that light. Don't know if we're going to find much in here though, but it's an explore. Like I said, I do hear pigeons. All right, let's try this room. This room's got floors and there's pigeons. Okay, oh, look at that. Look at the ceiling. That's where the ceiling rose would have been. Up in there. Pretty cool. That old door. That's pretty cool. All right. We'll keep walking through here. Oh, what have we got down there? I'm trying to find the kitchen. So that's to stop the sheep from getting in. So maybe the kitchen's in here. Light. Can't get into that room. Oh wow. Here's the kitchen. Oh yes. We have an attic as well. I don't know if I'm going to go down there. It looks a bit creepy, but here's the kitchen. Wow. That's where the old stove would have been. There's the old stove there. And just down there is a food pantry. Oh, look, we'll go down, we'll have a look. Oh, I didn't bring a light with me, unfortunately. Yeah, I don't know about going down there, guys. All right. Yeah, we won't go down there. It's a bit dangerous down there. So we might be able to see that room that was locked from here. Yeah. This is it here. Oh, it's the laundry. Wow. Okay, well. It's pretty cool. We'll walk through here. Oh, here's the bathroom. I missed this room, but we can still look from it from here. Right, that's cool. Yeah, a lot of these rooms have got their floorboards missing, or they've just decayed like that. There's an old hay, is it a harvester or is that to dig up some crops? I'm not sure. Let me know, guys, in the comments. Okay, well, keep walking through here. Right, what's around here? Yeah, just gotta love that old fireplace. All right. There's another room through here. Okay. Here's another fireplace. This is that cool room with the awesome ceiling pattern up there. That's just brilliant. Wow. And the cornicing around the sides. All right, we'll keep walking around. Here's the toilet. shanks. That's a shanks toilet. Awkward to try and get there. These stairs, the way they're positioned, it's like they're back to front, so I'm not sure what the hell's going on here, but I might be able to get the camera under here and we can have a look to see what's down here. Cellar. So yeah, we won't be going down there. But this, I like this kitchen. This is pretty old. This is a pretty old kitchen. I love that door handle. Look at that. That's just old. Right. There's some old Bakelite switches there. Still got an old vintage globe in there. So this house did have electricity. Yeah, that was the toilet through there. No, not the toilet, the bathroom. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. So I'm going to get the drone out. Quick film. Oh, there's some, that's the original carpet down there. You can see how this has just fallen. Everything's just fallen in. Okay. Just a lonely room and a lonely light shade. All right, guys. Well, we are going to go to the next one, but don't forget to watch the drone footage. I'll get the drone out. We'll do a quick flyover. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one. See you there. Thanks for watching. Bye. Peace out.